Guys, I am sitting outside the tattoo shop debating whether I should go in. I have made an appointment 4 times, so. Oh my god.
Okay, so, backstory, that's me, obviously. But I've actually been thinking about getting a tattoo for years.
If I ever got one, I'm not opposed to it. I love guys with tattoos. I just don't know what I would put. I'm like so indecisive. I would probably end up getting like a butterfly on my arm and then hate it in like 2 days.
And 5 years later, lo and behold, I've decided to be decisive and just freaking do it. By the way, yeah, still me. I'm gonna be interrupting my own vlog because honestly, I was so nervous the day of filming this. I just like kind of forgot how to even be a YouTuber and like did a really bad job. So I'm gonna interrupt with some details. Be an omniscient narrator here. So back to day of.
Gotta go check in so they don't give my appointment away. Again. Okay. I seem so cracked out in this video. That's because I am. Not literally, but like mentally I always am. So anyways, yeah. Seems like the perfect day to get a tattoo. So here we go. Alright guys. Tattoo. Oh god. Oh god. I'm just like standing on the side of the road. P.S. guys, get a good last look of my messily spray tanned ankle. This is the last time it won't have a tattoo. Dun, 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 dun. Forever. That's what makes me nervous, the forever. Ooh, look at this cool couch I get to wait on. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Actually, the whole decor in here is really cool. They got chandeliers. Holla. So here's my outfit of the day, in a tattoo parlor bathroom. So weird, but ta-da! I really didn't know what you're supposed to wear to a tattoo appointment. So I wore a t-shirt, shorts, and heels, which I'm thinking now is probably a mistake. But I brought sneakers in my bag just in case. So, ta-da! Oh my god. Ooh, I'm so nervous. It's really cool in here, not gonna lie. They got some cool decor. Huh. Oh god, okay. I'm so nervous. YOLO. Does anyone say that anymore? Probably not, but YOLO. Oh god, it's making me nervous. Do I have any problems? I don't know. I think it's fine. Alright guys, here we go. Let's just agree to this and sign my life away. You know, I'm weirdly starting to feel really calm. I don't know why, but I feel very zen suddenly. Wish me luck. At least they have chandeliers, that's good. This is Tyler. We're cutting the tattoo. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I can't believe it can be this small.
By the way, like the true basic bitch that I really am, I am getting a quote tattoo, I know, of one of my favorite quotes in the world, "A la folie," which is French for to insanity. By the way, I know a bunch of you are gonna ask why I didn't get but what if it does? Honestly, I do love that quote. But what if it does is kind of the quote that I feel like other people know me by, and this is kind of the version of that quote that speaks to me the most. It's basically like the little more romantic, a little wilder version of that quote. They mean kind of the same thing. So cheers to the insanity, and yeah. Honestly, a tattoo is something I kind of thought I never was actually gonna go through with and actually gonna get, so the fact that I did is a symbolic in and of itself. But you know, I always joke that I'm crazy, but I am, and I always want to remember, you know, what a gift that is. Very few people know such a treasure. Oh my god, this is really terrifying, actually, not gonna lie. I don't love this. But you know what you're doing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I'm scared. Oh yeah. I love getting my legs shaved. This is so funny. Oh my god, you guys, can you tell I've literally lost my mind? Yeah. Dun 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 dun. I have the most sanitary ankle in all the land. Okay, here's the temporary version. Oh my god. It's so small. What do you guys think? By the way, before I decided where exactly to put it, I like played around with a bunch of temporary tattoos and did all sorts of stuff. But eventually I did settle on my ankle for a bunch of reasons. I'll explain those in a minute, but you can see there's like the little transfer paper where he put it on. So basically I just figured, fuck it, let's go. And we did. Oh my god. We got full service. I get a pillow, thank you. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Here we go. Wish me luck, guys. Oh my god, hear the noise? FYI, guys, this feels like nothing. Weird. By the way, yeah, this did not hurt me literally at all. I felt actually nothing. I do have a very high pain tolerance, but like, I mean, nothing. I honestly low-key, high-key kind of enjoyed the feeling. Okay, guys, I survived. Now we're gonna put a Band-Aid on it or something. You said a Band-Aid, okay. I'll show you later. Thank you so much. That was the weirdest handshake. I don't know why I did it like that, but thanks. Okay, so exciting. I gotta pay and then I'll show you guys. By the way, I changed shoes. Not supposed to wear heels immediately after, apparently. Nah, whatever. Okay, I'll give you guys the update soon. After the tattoo was done, it looked like this. I had to put it under wraps and stuff to like, you know, keep it safe and secure and whatever. I had to put lotion on it like twice a day, but really it was like no big deal aftercare-wise. I just kind of lived my life. So now it's been about 3 weeks since I got it. So are you guys ready to see? All right, you guys ready? So we got my legs, I'm sitting outside. We got some random cars here being loud, but you know. All right, dun dun dun. Ta-da!
You can see it's so small and dainty and literally just really small. Honestly, I wanted it like basically microscopic and not visible. So that's what I got. So small and cute and just like a fun little thing, almost kind of, well, just for me and the entire internet to know about.
P.S. Fun fact about the location. So I picked my ankle for a few reasons. One, because I take a lot of pictures of my shoes, so I thought this would be like a watermark on my pictures, low-key. It's like, you're gonna know that that's my heel photo without me having to tell ya. So business savvy a little bit.
This is so punk rock, huh, George? You love it? I love it. Hi, sugar butt.
Also, being on my left foot, you know, is like the bloodline straight to my heart. So, you know, it's a very romantic placement.
Also, if you want a good laugh, I actually put the specific placement of the tattoo right above the strap of this heel because this is, you know, the average strap height thickness of heels. So I wanted it to be in a place that would show exactly right above it, very small, of all my high heels. I am that crazy that I picked it based on that.
You know, it's also symbolic of how I want to walk through life. You know, I put the quote there because, you know, every time I take a step, that's the way I want to step forward. If I want to step into the world with that always in mind.
It's not over there. It's not over there. It's not there, but boom! There it is. Again, ignore the terrible tanning lotion situation, but it's so cute. I love it. Look how small and dainty. Oh, that's sexy. Hello, can I help you? You like the tattoo, George? Yeah, I thought so.
Also, it's on my mood board. It was the center thing on my mood board, so look at that. Gotta cross that off now. Like, look at that. That's a flex, I tell ya. Legitimately miniature, so cute. And honestly, I also got it just to say I got one.
Like, look at the aesthetic of that. So fun. OMG. I love it. I just honestly, you know, I really just felt like crossing that off my to-do list and, you know, a life experience. Now I can say I got a tattoo. I'll never get another one. This is my one and only. But, you know, now I have a cool story. You know, that one time I was a YouTuber, I got a tattoo.
Now whenever someone asks if I have tattoos, I can be like, yes! One. I feel like I joined some kind of secret club society. Very cool.
Got hella street cred now having a tattoo. Work.
It's like the smallest, girliest tattoo in the world, but still,
I feel like a badass.
So there you go. That was me getting a tattoo. After all, why not? To insanity. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I have a tattoo. That's so crazy. But, you know, life's wild. Just goes to show you really can just change your life at any day. Go get a tattoo, whatever, you know? Heck, life's short. YOLO. Anywhoosie, I love you guys. Kisses till next time. Happy tattooing. I love you. XO.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm just like in the middle of the road.